If you want photos that look like this, well, then watch this DIY video on how to make your own backdrop and save yourself some money. Hey guys, this is Gerardo Marquez. Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wanted a better backdrop for yourself, for your photos, for your studio, but you're just like me and you're starting out and you don't have a lot of money or almost no money? Well, you're in luck, because in this video I will be showing you how to create your own backdrop, and it's quite inexpensive. You don't spend a lot of money on this. You're going to need some money for this project. It's not going to be as expensive, I promise, as actually going online and buying backdrops. They can be much more expensive, and they look really nice, really professional, but you can actually save yourself all of that money and maybe buy something else, like you need maybe a light or a mic, something else that you might need, and maybe later on in your career then you can go ahead and buy yourself a professional backdrop. In the meantime, you have something to work with. All of the materials here are not that expensive. You can find them at Home Depot or your local hardware store. Now, the first thing that you're going to need, and it's really important, is, if not the most important thing, is where you're going to be painting this backdrop. Now, I found online these covers that you can actually put over the floor when you're painting your house. You buy these sheets and you put them over the floor so you don't actually mess up your floors. You can use one of those. I'm not exactly sure what the name of it. It's a canvas or a floor protector that you can find in Home Depot, and they're really not that expensive, and you can use that to make your backdrop. That'll be like the canvas on which you will be painting, pretty much. I will put a link in the description down below so you can buy it either online or you can go physically, if you can. Please wear a mask and go to Home Depot and buy it yourself in person. The second thing that you will also need is a primer. The primer is the first thing that you put on your canvas. You spread it around on your canvas. Once that it's all spread out, then you're going to be leaving it there for 1 hour or 2 hours. Let it dry, and then you can move on to painting it. Now, of course, as you can see, I'm using one of these, a brush. You're going to need one of these to spread everything around, of course. It's pretty self-explanatory, but you're going to need this. Then they're also not that expensive. You can actually get a couple of these for less than $10. The next thing that you're going to be needing is paint. Now, this type of paint, as you can see right here, I don't know where you can find this brand, but you can find these pretty much anywhere. They're really inexpensive. It cost me around 40 pesos, and that's like less than $5. So you can find these, I'm pretty sure, at your local hardware store. That's the best bet where you can find them, and also you can try to look for them, not this exact brand, but you can look for these type of children's paint on pretty much your Home Depot as well. So yeah, you can find them there. Now, I got these colors. That's what I was going for, but you can find these on any color, pretty much anything that you want to create, like, I don't know, yellow or orange, anything you want. It doesn't have to be this color. This is just what I chose, just to be clear. Now, I'm also going to be using this to spread around the paint, just to cover or to give it some drop effects on the canvas. Now it's all done. The painting process is finished. Now it's time to just let it dry. You can hang it outside pretty much. That would be helpful because the sun helps it dry faster, so you just take it outside somewhere. Now this backdrop is not waterproof, meaning that if it rains, if there's water that's spilled on it, pretty much the paint is going to come off. So don't get it wet, please. That's really important. Don't get it wet because it just might completely ruin your project. So don't get it wet. Make sure that it's sunny outside when you hang it out, and just let it dry for a day and then just bring it back in. Okay? That would be the end of this DIY. Did you like it? Did you not like it? Did you think it was complicated? If you didn't understand something, just let me know in the comments. I will make sure to explain it better if there's something that I was not clear about. But like I said, this is for people like me that don't have a lot of money but still want something to be able to be seen at the back of our photos, or maybe want to record a video and that's something you want to create, even just to create it because you are a creative person and you want to do it and not just buy it offline. Then please let me know if that's the case, and again, if this was helpful, please let me know. And yeah, this was a lot of fun. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself, take care of each other. Goodbye.